Abandoned for 20 years, work has since resumed at major sections of the 110-kilometer circular road. The circular road project was conceptualized in 2003 during the tenure of Senator Rashid Ladoja and was designed to encircle the urban area of the Ibadan metropolis and provide a strategic link between the ancient city and other parts of the country. Fadi Khalil is the project engineer supervising construction here. He gives details on level of work done so far.
The most important thing from this circular road is connecting Lagos to Ife faster than passing through Ibadan city because of the traffic at Ibadan city. This circular road is going to make the movement easier and is going to decrease the traffic at Ibadan. The circular road is connecting Ibadan-Lagos Express to Ibadan-Ife Express. We are going to pass through that side out of Ibadan city.
The engineer took Arise News crew to the 6 sections of the project where bridges and interchanges have been constructed. He speaks about the next line of action.
By the grace of God, we are going to deliver this project before December 2023. The project in general, I'm talking about the project, I'm talking about the bridges and the interchanges. I'm not talking about the road. The road is different project, is different thing completely. You know, yes, we are going to deliver the bridges before December, but we cannot deliver the road before December.
Governor Makinde and his entourage are familiar visitors to the project site. He says the circular road is the single largest investment that has come to Oyo State in the last 50 years.
Well, to the people, we have opportunities around here. So, especially our young folks, don't japa because here, you know, if you're hardworking, you can also contribute and get your reward, you know, for your contribution. So I would say, look, we're creating opportunities across the spectrum, and then people are, you know, they are paying attention to what we're doing.
Authorities here say the circular road project will adopt the counterpart funding model approach to show Oyo State government's commitment to improving infrastructure while also boosting investor concessionaire confidence. Olutayo Famous Cole, Arise News, Ibadan.